Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are viewing this video from. A good day to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and like this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Alright, today I want to show you a weight loss remedy that is super effective for nursing mothers and for anyone who wants to lose weight in a healthy way. But primarily, this is very effective for nursing mothers. Everything I'm going to be using here is going to be safe for you. So you are going to be needing lemon. Lemon is very good, apart from the fact that it tastes very delicious when you put it in water. It also refreshes your stomach, and it is one of the healthiest drink for a breastfeeding mom. It improves your skin texture, flushes out toxic things out of you, regulates your BP, and lowers the risk of breast cancer. So cut your lemon into half, and after you are done, squeeze out the juice from the lemon. I used a cup that has a squeezer on top of it. It is very easy for me, but in case you don't have one, you can squeeze it with your hand. So squeeze the juice out from the lemon, and after you are done squeezing it out, you will see that lemon doesn't really have a lot of juice from it, but that small one you are able to squeeze out is very good and also very effective. So right after you are done squeezing out the juice from the lemon, you are going to be using the lemon, the back of the lemon. You are going to be cutting it into smaller pieces. We are going to be using that back also. We are going to be boiling it. Every part of a lemon is very good and very healthy, for weight loss. So we are going to be putting this inside a pot, a clean pot, and then we are also going to be adding a cup of water to it. Alright, so when you are done doing that, you set that apart, and then you get your ginger roots, your fresh ginger. Ginger is very good for nursing mothers too. Ginger increases breast supply. I'm telling you, it increases your breast milk supply, and it supports immune system. It reduces inflammation. So it is also good for nursing mothers, and it does not pose any health challenge to them or their babies or your baby. So if you're a nursing mother, it is very safe for you to have this. So after you've put the grated ginger inside the water, you are going to be boiling the water just like you are seeing. I've boiled mine. Then you allow it to cool off for some time so that it does not burn your throat while you are trying to drink it. So you allow it to cool off, and after it has cooled off, you are going to be sieving the water from the ginger and the lemon back that has already been boiled. Get your sieve out the water from it. Remember that we have not really added the juice from the lemon. We have just boiled it. We need that water. We need that water. So after you are done sieving the water from the already boiled ginger and lemon back, you are going to be adding your already gotten what do we call it now, lemon juice right inside it. So you can see that it is a very effective and weight loss recipe for breastfeeding mothers. It is simple to make. It will not take you 5 minutes altogether, to make this. So just as you are breastfeeding your baby, you are also cutting out some excess fat from your body. I'll encourage that you get a bottle so that it is easy for you to drink. Get a bottle, put the weight loss drink inside it, then add more water so you won't be taking too much concentrated, um so that it will be too much. So thank you so much for stopping by. Please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell, and like this video. You can also share this video to your loved ones. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.